So really quick here, how did Zach do 146% in gains inside of our Discord, literally with a swing trade that he held overnight, which is just like absolutely incredible how easy it was to see and catch this specific trade. Inside of our Discord, we give these kind of plays out all the time. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we actually found this whole entire trade in the first place and how you guys can look for things like this too inside of your own trading strategy. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to our trading view. So first thing we're going to do here, and then head here, and then type in this, and then we'll be inside a trading view. Now we can go to V, which is Visa, which is the stock that Zach ended up trading. And as you can see here, Visa is now incredibly overbought. Absolute massive breakout towards the upside here. We gapped up massively in the early morning hours of this trading session. Now, we are currently on the 15-minute chart here, which means that this is on more kind of a day trade, type of, mindset or day trade type of context, which obviously, things can look a little bit different here. So let's look at this from more of a swing trading context on either the 4-hour chart or the 1-day chart. I prefer the 1-day chart for my entries just because it's a little bit easier to see. And as you can see here, this is what we're looking at. So first things first here, more than likely, it was looking like Zach entered his trade anywhere around this red candle, specifically right here. And we can actually kind of zoom into this a little bit more on the 4-hour chart here, just so that way you guys have an even clearer idea of how this trade was made. So he entered in pretty much a day before or before the weekend closed out last trading session. He entered in on this day here, and then pretty much we tracked over to the next day with the huge breakout. Now, just to give you an idea, this wasn't really a pattern-centric trade, right? We weren't really working off of any specific patterns that were presenting themselves because, as you can see, there weren't really any. One of the things that we did look at, though, was the opportunity for a news-based outbreak, which there were a few specific updates here and there. And again, price targets were adjusted pretty heavily by a lot of huge insiders. Also, plus there was a Visa insider who did sell their shares a couple of days ago, but there's not really much of a negative reaction to that, as you can see. Now, we also have this purple thing right here, and this is kind of the key facts today, which is that BNB Paribas Exane upgraded Visa's outperformed price target to $250, which is just a massive bullish sign that this overall stock was going to break out the way that it did. We didn't know that in advance. So again, the overall gap up that we saw here is benefiting from that. But what we did see was that when we look at our EMA lines, when we look at the RSI, this was a bullish moving stock. This stock was only going to continue to go up and up and up because of the overall bullish momentum that we were seeing inside of these indicators. And that was why Zach ended up alerting this Visa play, of course, when he ended up doing so, which netted us little over 146% in gains. Now, again, guys, if you want to get access to plays like this on a daily basis, make sure to head over to our Discord with the first link down in the description. Click any of the links in the Join Us tab, which is going to be right here. Inside of these links, you can click them, which will take you to the Upgrade Chat website, where you can upgrade with either the premium monthly plan or the premium yearly plan. Both of these are great for any type of budget, and you get access to everything that's shown here, plus a bunch of other stuff inside of our Discord as well. You hit the upgrade button, make your account with Discord, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys are looking to get started with the Discord. I can help you guys out by answering your questions in the comments. I'll see you guys inside.